Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can clear users data on BOTIM. So for the Android version, if you simply open the application and from here if you tap on your profile just like this, here if you scroll down you will get the option of data users, and all you have to do is tap on it in order to clear all of your users data on BOTIM. But for now, here you can see on the iOS we don't have that option, so we can simply offload the application. But offloading your application won't clear all of your chats and history. If you want to clear all of your chats and history, you'll have to simply delete the application and reinstall it. So if you want to offload it, you can get to the settings, and from here you can tap on general, and from here you can tap on iPhone storage. Here if you scroll down you can see all of the applications on your phone, and here you can get the option of BOTIM. If you can't find it here, you can tap on show all and get all of the applications. If you tap on BOTIM from here, tap on offload app, and then just like this you'll get the pop-up, and tap on offload app one more time and your phone will successfully be offloaded, and you can again tap on reinstall and reinstall the application. Or if you want to delete it, you can long press on BOTIM and then tap on remove app, and then from here tap on delete app, and then BOTIM will successfully be deleted, and then you can get to the App Store and then search for BOTIM from here, and then reinstall this application from here. And yeah, that is it. This is how you can clear users data on BOTIM. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.